You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Georgian grape variety, the oldest grape variety in the world. Some say, if you want to learn more confusing wine names, make sure to stay tuned. It's pronounced in Georgian, and we're talking about Georgia in Europe, right? Not Georgia in the US. Rkatsiteli. Rkatsiteli is how it's pronounced. In English, you can say Rkatsiteli. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.